Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids! Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cow. Let's start drawing. At first, the shape of her head. I draw an oval shape. I draw two cute eyes for her. And two small hearts. It is going to be the nose of our cute cow. Then I draw a smiling mouth. And her two ears. Now her horns. I continue with her body. I draw her four legs. And her tail. Now I'll add some patches onto her body. I finish the drawing with the ground. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the holes of her heart-shaped nose red. For the horns, I use gray. For the inner part of her ears, this pink marker. Black. Gray. I color this part cream. I use some green for the grassy ground. Light blue. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.